Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. This is vlogger Borna and today's video is a review video and I'll be showing you an application which is Yea3 application. This is just similar to Club Factory but in a cheaper version of Club Factory. All the items are similar to Club Factory and you won't believe the price is really cheap in this application. So I'll be showing you how to install this application. Friends, you can see this application in my homepage Yea3.com, and this app is really a blessing for people like me who is like freak for shopping. So you can see VIP user will cost you 29 rupees VIP membership, and cost cash on delivery is free. You can see this product reviews. Most of the people give a very nice review, and see the price difference. It's only 29 bucks, 29 rupees, and you can see the price difference. 524 will cost you 367. So friends, you can see this bracelet is amazing. I haven't ordered this. Let me show you what all I have ordered. So let me show you my accounts, and this all I have ordered. So I'll review all about all the items which I have received, and I'll show you one by one. You can see the price difference is so cheap. 207 rupees will cost you wide angle lens. So guys, I feel like this is much better than Club Factory because they have a separate option like VIP membership, which will cost you only 29 rupees. So for an example, I'll show you bracelets. See the cost difference, and I have purchased this separately, and the cost cash on delivery is free. So let me take you to the app store. You can see this. So I'll search for Yea3, and here it is. I've already installed this. So I'll give 5-star, and this is extremely cheap and quality wise is very nice. I give a 5-star to this application because I love this. I had a lot of shopping in Club Factory, but I think I should uninstall Club Factory now and should install this, and now on I'll be shopping from Yea3 application. So don't wait for anything, go ahead, install Yea3, and I'll share my referral link in the description box. Importantly, the delivery time will take hardly 5 to 7 days, and it is coming from China, so it will take some time but not more than 7 days. Friends, I have received a package like this, which I have already opened, as you can see, to confirm whether I have received a proper product because this is my first time order. So in this they have mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 products are there inside of it, and the entire cost is under 1,000. So I'll give you the price details in my description box below, and they have shipped this from China. So let me take you to the products which I have received. So you guys know that this is winter, so I've ordered a scarf for me, which is very useful for in winter. And I'm staying in Bangalore, so it's not very cold. So this is very comfortable. The material is very good. You can see this. This is a very nice scarf I have received. The color combination, I'm absolutely in love with this. You can see this. So basically this is a scarf where you can use it like this. So scarf product is this. So this is the star product of my order. So as you can see, they have bubble wrapped. Their packaging is extremely nice, and I would highly recommend their application rather than Club Factory because the price. Okay, so I have received a very elegant bracelet I'll show you. I'm wearing already a bracelet, but I can show you. This has a snail. You can see all the shells, and this is extremely beautiful, as you can see. How it will look on my hand. So you can see how it is. This is extremely cute, and you can wear this with jeans as well as with traditional wears. This has shell. You can see those are lovely. It's like aquatic theme. It has a starfish and so many pearls and shells. So this is my second product. And my third product is a earring. They have sent this in a bubble wrap. So this is the push. So you can see this. This is a butterfly earring, and I will definitely show you like how it will look on my ears on my next picture. Here it is. The fourth product I will show you, this is the one. Mini bag. So I have purchased this for keeping my coins in my bag, because usually I mess up with coins. So this is a very cute bag again. So it has a single chain, and you can keep your coins inside of it, and it has an Eiffel Tower on it, and this is very, very cute, as you can see. And my next item is another bracelet, that is this. So I'll show you how it is. Let me open the packet. So this is again very ethnic, as you can see. I'll show you how it will be on my hand. And this is it about the jewelry part. And the last and final product which I have received is a clip lens. So this is basically what it is. If your camera lens or mobile camera lens doesn't have a good quality camera, you can clip with your mobile phone. So I have unboxed it. As you can see, this is a fish eye. Basically you have to clip with your phone. I have my phone here. So what you have to do is you just have to clip it like this. You have to place it accordingly to your lenses area, and you have to adjust the lens here. So basically I have received two variants of lenses. One is fish eye lens, another is a wide lens. So I'll definitely give you all the details. Basically I have received a clip along with a wide angle macro lens, along with a fish eye lens and a lens cap. So I have unboxed this now, but the working procedure I will show you in my next video. You have to wait for that. Price is inexpensive, and the price is only $207. You can see the original price is 980, but I have received with 270 rupees. And you cannot get this in the other shop. So I would highly recommend you to purchase this from Yea3 application, because it's extremely cheap there, and the build quality is really good, and I'm dying to click pictures from this. Hope you like my video, and if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you really like this video, then go ahead and share with all of your friends and family and purchase from Yea3 application. It is extremely good and very inexpensive. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, keep watching Vlogger Borna. Thank you. Bye bye.